Hi, hello everyone. How are you doing? So, this is Nalini Ashwin and I welcome you to my channel. So, in this video, I'll be talking about money manifestation, taking my example, and also at the end, please watch till the end because afterwards I'll be sharing how I can help you with manifestation, and also I'll be discussing usually what difficulties you'll find, how people ask me about money manifesting, what are the problems, few problems I'll be sharing with you. So, let's start. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like, share if this is helpful. This information in this video is helpful. So, please share with others and also like the video. And also, let me know in the comments, have you any time done manifestation, and what is the success rate? What is the success rate you will get when you are manifesting other things and also manifesting money? So there are two different things, right? So I am a manifester, generator in design. Have you done your design? So if not, please do that. If you need any help, I can help you with that. Please DM me, okay? So if you want to get your human design, I'll be ready to help you to get your human design. Yeah, coming back to manifestation. So people find it very difficult to manifest things. Okay, manifest especially money. Okay, and also some people say like, how can I believe? So it's really problem for them to believe. This manifestation is the main thing is trust, belief. So how can I strengthen my belief, and also how can I speed up the process? So all these things are quite queries, questions they will be asking. And so some people are really, they say that it's really easy for me to manifest, say for example, house, car, or anything materialistic, any material things. But when it comes to money, that is hard cash, it's really difficult for me to manifest hard cash. So they will get this uh, oh, okay. So they will get this instead of instead if they manifest, so it's easy, they will get this discount, sales offer, coupon, all these things they will get. But when it comes to manifesting money, say for example, I want to manifest 1 lakh, I want to save x amount, then it's really difficult for them to manifest. So if I take my example, as I said, it's also very easy for me to manifest everything. I have even manifested the life I am living now, touchwood, and also my children, everything. But when it comes to hard cash, that for example I need this, say for example this amount of money, so and so amount, and in so much duration, then it's really difficult for me. So I just thought, what can be the reason? Because I'm really having that inborn quality, I have that inbuilt manifestation power I have, because as you I realize, I shared with you, I'm a manager. And many of you will be there, for example, so if you are also a manifester, since like childhood, you may not be knowing, but after when you became adult, you realize that you can manifest things. So if so, please let me know in the comments. So it is easy for us manifestors, we are born manifestors. But when it comes to money, it is really different game, it's entirely different, you know. So yeah, as I was telling, I was thinking, why is it very difficult for me to manifest money? So I realized, whenever I put some money, the number, then that stress starts, like butterflies will come in my stomach. So it is really difficult, stress comes, and so I don't know, like these self doubt start. So I'll doubt myself, okay, whether I'll be able to get this amount of money in this time. All these things will be bothering me, and I'm not able to visualize also. So all these are very important things, steps in manifestation. You have to have this clarity, and you have to have this trust. You have to surrender to the universe. And if you only have self doubts, and also you have these fears and also stress, then that become these roadblocks and obstacles for you to manifest money. So I realized all these things. So then I found a trick. Okay, a turn around. I started manipulating, maneuvering, turning around. So so I thought, why do I need money, this money? Because these material things, all these things I can manifest easily, right? Why do I need this money for? What is the purpose? That is very important. So if you want to manifest say 5 lakhs, why do you need 5 lakhs? So do you want to invest in some, some funds, or do you want to invest in your house that you are constructing, or do you want to buy a luxury car? Where do you want to invest, or what for you need this money? That is very important, the reason, the purpose of this money. So if you are clear about that, so then it's really easy for you to, because then you will get that energy, that emotion, that inspiration, motivation to manifest money. So if just, and another major thing was for me, obstacle was when it came to manifesting money, was that I wasn't motivated by money. I'm not, I don't get inspiration, I'm not that inspired with money. Okay. So then when I started thinking about all these things, so when I started to think what is the purpose, then it became easy for me. And another thing, now I don't manifest, like I don't focus on money at all. So what I do is, like, maybe, like, I'm a psychologist, and I do sessions on all that. I do courses. What I do is I manifest how many number of participants I want in this course. Say I have 6 people I want, then I manifest, I want 6 people to enroll to my course. Like this I manifest how many sessions. So I want to have what, like daily 2 sessions, I want to have 2 sessions with my clients. Weekly 5 days I want to do this session. So all these things I do that. So like this I am doing, like I am changing where my strength is, what is I'm strong with, what is my strength, I am playing with that, I am using that. So like this I can manifest. Now it is indirectly, it's not money, number of clients, number of, like, if you are into business, number of products or services, you can change that. Okay. And another thing is, what is the purpose of this money, that also you can do. So like this you can change, you can do that, and you can manifest money, and you'll, for sure, you'll get 100% success. So these were the few examples. And you can also use tools. So tools for manifestation, like vision board, other tools, manifestation tools, I have also shared in the channel. So these were some of the manifestation thing that my experience I shared with you. And also I am doing this I am wealthy money manifesting workshop. So I'll be sharing the details, and for sure this will help you in manifesting money. And I'll be helping you, and I'll be supporting you, and I'll be sharing the steps and process and everything, how to manifest money in a easy simple way. For many people, manifesting, especially money manifesting, is not at all easy. They struggle and they fail. And have you been thinking why I am failing in money manifesting, and felt like I'm not getting what I want to manifest? What is the use? I can't manifest. I don't know who does, who gets this success in money manifesting. You may be thinking all these things. Then this workshop is for you. So in this workshop, we do some process, we follow some steps, so we will get 100% success. So whoever has followed these steps, they have got 100% success in money manifesting. And yes, if you follow these steps, money manifesting feels like very easy. It is easy. And I have 100% track record of success in manifesting. So join my workshop, I am wealthy money manifesting workshop. Follow my process and manifest money. So, what you will learn in this workshop here, you will learn simple steps to manifest money, and what is manifesting, steps to manifesting, and regarding law of attraction, law of vibration, and which laws are important for manifestation, and regarding manifestation gap, how to be clear on what you want, and the whole process is made easy to understand and follow. And this is approximately 2.5 to 3 hours a workshop. And we will do these um, will do these exercises to find out the income outcomes, achievable outcomes, and we'll do visualization, meditation, and all. Also there'll be reiki. We'll do energy work also to help you remove any blocks, any energy blocks which are blocking you from manifesting. And this is on Sunday, 27th April, Sunday, morning, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. And you have this early bird offer also to have always already been taken. So only one place is for there for early bird offer. And all the details are given in this link. You can click the link, and uh, for any details you can DM me, and the link is given in the description also. You can direct message me for any queries, any doubts. So only this is only for 6 people. Already 3 people have signed up. Only 3 spaces are available. Hurry. And yeah, there is an offer also. Don't forget to enroll early as possible. If you refer this workshop to any of your friends and they also enroll, then there is a 20% discount for you. So you can share this to your friends also. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you will enroll to this money manifesting workshop, and get success in manifesting the money goals you have. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.